Learn Auto Body and Paint, the VIP course. I've worked on vehicles for over 50 years. I have done the mechanical, not as a job, but as a hobby. I've worked on friends' vehicles, I've worked on family vehicles, and I've always been able to make them run, safe. But when it came to body and paint, quite frankly, unless I bought the car new, I either had different colored fenders, body work that needed to be done, or it was in primer. Never learned the skills of how to work on the body and do the paint work. Well, now that I'm retired, I don't have the money to pay somebody else. And I figured it's time for me to learn how to do this. So I looked around, searched, and none of the people that I found or I ran across really gave me the feeling that either they knew what they were doing but they weren't willing to share, or they didn't know what they were doing and it was a total waste. Then I came across Tony's Learn Auto Body and Paint, and I watched, and I was procrastinating for quite a while, being skeptical, and finally, after watching a couple of the good videos that I ran across, I saw that he went into depth with it. He shows you the tricks. He shows you everything that you need to know, and he walks you through it. Then he has live question and answers that you can join in and get answers if you have a question. So I joined and became a lifetime member of the VIP group, and I just kicked myself for waiting so long to do it, because I have 4 projects now, and they all need body and paint. So I'm very happy that I got into the VIP course, and if you're on the fence, then you need to consider joining the rest of us and learn from a true professional on how to do it and get the tricks and the techniques that are needed to do what you need to do on your vehicle or family vehicle, or even as a business. So that's all I've got to say. Thanks for your time.